Welcome to memoQ in 90 seconds. Today, configuring and managing CAL licenses on the web. From the admin panel, go to Licensing. Under Licenses in Use, you can get an overview of your full license pool. Right below, you also see the users currently connected to your memoQ TMS and the type of license they are getting from your pool. Use the filtering options if you want to narrow your search. If you wish to temporarily revoke access and take the license back, click the X button next to a user. Under Assign Licenses, you'll see the licenses currently assigned to users, the assignment type, the license type, and the expiry date. Click the Groups button for a view of licenses assigned to groups. If you wish to remove the license assigned to a user or a group, click the X button next to it. Under Settings, select the settings for temporary project-based licenses and for sub-vendor licenses. You can also choose to be notified for specific events related to licensing. Don't forget to click Apply Changes to save your new settings. To assign licenses, click Assign Licenses. Select if you want to assign licenses to individual users or groups. I'll select Groups. Add one or multiple groups, select the license type and the expiry date, and click Assign. The newly assigned licenses will appear under Assigned Licenses. Thanks for watching.